Hey guys, what's up? I hope you're doing really great. If you're visiting my channel for the very first time, please do subscribe and press bell icon so that whenever I upload new video for you, you will be the first one to get updates from me. So वीडियो का टाइटल एंड थंबनेल देख के आपको तो पता चल ही गया होगा. Today we are going to discuss about two products from MyGlam itself, which are these two products. One is lip liner, another is lipstick from brand. And if you want to see swatch with or without makeup on my skin, then please do watch this video till then because इसके swatches आपको वीडियो के end में मिलेंगे. Also, you will see me talking about how to get free products from MyGlam brand in this video. So watch this video till the end if you want to know how. And after watch video, I'll be putting how to get free products from MyGlam brand. So yes, let's just jump into the video right now and let's start our review. First thing first, let's just talk about outer packaging of MyGlam products. It is top notch. I really appreciate how they do packaging of their products. It feels like you're holding a high brand product in your hand. You will see some white and golden and black ink on this outer packaging and all the details about brand and ingredient list and the MRP, where they have manufactured and imported and marketed, everything written on the outer packaging you want to know about this product. MyGlam brand is 100% vegan and cruelty free. So if you're looking for vegan and cruelty free brand, then this is the best brand for you. Now let's just talk about actual products. These two products I'm holding right now are from MyGlam brand. One is lipstick and another is lip liner. And let's just talk about lip liner first. So ये बहुत ही छोटा सा बहुत ही क्यूट ऐसे लिप लाइनर है एंड इट इज़ नॉट रिट्रैक्टेबल. दैट इज़ व्हाट आई डोंट लाइक अबाउट इट, बट इट्स फाइन. रिट्रैक्टेबल होता है तो वो टूटने के चांसेस बहुत ज़्यादा होते हैं. बट येस, यू कैन शार्पन इट एंड यू कैन यूज़ दिस. आई हैव यूज्ड अ लॉट ऑफ टाइम एंड इट इज़ amazing. I'm telling you guys, the formula of this lip liner, it's very smooth. You can see just one stroke and it gives you high pigmentation. And once is when it is on your lips, it is in matte. So you will definitely love this lip liner because I am in love with this. If even if you don't have any lipstick, you can use this lip liner. Just spread all over your lips and this gives you a very good pigmentation, you guys. Trust me. MRP of this lip liner is 445, and in this MRP you will get 1.14 gram of product, and which is great. It is long lasting also. It stays on your lips for longer time and ये बिल्कुल भी crease नहीं होता है. आपके lips के जो lines रहते हैं fine lines उसमें crease नहीं होता है ज़्यादा. But make sure you have applied a good amount of lip balm on your lips. Or also if you are using matte lipstick, try to apply some scrub before applying any matte, a very matte lipstick. तो आपको चैप लिप्स का प्रॉब्लम रहता है तो लिप बाम तो लगाओ ही आप, बट मेक श्योर आप एटलीस्ट वंस अ वीक आप लिप स्क्रब करते हो सो दैट आपके लिप्स बहुत ही ज़्यादा सॉफ्ट रहेंगे. दैट इज़ द टिप फ्रॉम मी. नाउ लेट्स जस्ट टॉक अबाउट दिस लीड लिपस्टिक फ्रॉम MyGlam. What can I tell you guys? It is perfect matte lipstick. Right now I'm wearing on my lips and it gives you matte finish. It's very lightweight. You don't even feel a slight weight on your lips because क्योंकि क्या होता है जब आप matte lipstick लगाते हो, आफ्टर सम टाइम यू विल फील सम क्रैकिंग एंड आपको बहुत ही ज़्यादा से बहुत ही ज़्यादा वेट फील होता है व्हेन यू अप्लाइड एनी लिपस्टिक. इवन क्रीमी लिपस्टिक भी रहते हैं जो बहुत ज़्यादा से वेट लगता है. बट दिस लिपस्टिक यू गाइज, top notch. I totally recommend you to buy this product from MyGlam and also the lip liner. But this lipstick is bomb.com. And yes, let me share you how it looks on my hand. So see, so this is how it looks once it dries out, and it is on my hand. This is how it is looking right now, and this is on my lips. It is looking right now. And let me tell you guys, don't do if it is weight on your lips, नहीं तो आप बहुत ही ज़्यादा उसको ख़राब कर दोगे लिपस्टिक को. Just make sure when you apply lipstick on your lips, let it sit for 1 or 2 minutes to dry out, and once it dries out, it is not going anywhere, you guys. Check this out. It is 100% transfer proof and it is literally very lightweight. You will see some information on actual product also, like their brand name, brand logo, MRP and shade name. on the packaging. So for lipstick you will see shade number and name right over here, and for lip liner you will see shade name under the logo and the brand name. They have not mentioned shade number on lip liner, but they have mentioned this information on outer packaging. So these two shades are 08. I think these two shades are matching pretty well. It is like combo type, and it is not combo pack combo actually, but आप कह सकते हो कि ये दोनों जो शेड्स है बहुत ही ज़्यादा सेम लगते हैं, तो यू कैन यूज़ इट एज लिप लाइनर एंड लिपस्टिक. इट विल नॉट मेक एनी डिफरेंस like that. And this lipstick in shade 08 slow fade, and the lip liner in shade 08, and I can't spell it, it is VSCO. So this is shade name. Yeah, so I think I have discussed pretty much well about these two products, and now it is time for swatch. And at the end of video you will see how to get free brand products from MyGlam. Alright, तो आई होप दैट यू हैव वॉच माई वीडियो टिल दिस, एंड अगर आपने देखा है ये वीडियो इधर तक तो थैंक यू सो मच. एंड नाउ आई एम गोइंग टू टेल यू आपको फ्री प्रोडक्ट्स माईग्लैम से कैसे मिलेंगे. तो इट इज़ अ वेरी गुड अपॉर्चुनिटी माईग्लैम हैज़ गिवन टू ऑल देयर कस्टमर्स. आपको सिर्फ एक ही काम करना है, आपको उनके लिए एक सर्वे फिल करके देना है. तो वो सर्वे का स्टडी और ऑब्जर्वेशन करके वो अपने ब्रांड को डेवलप करना चाहते हैं. दैट इज़ व्हाट देयर स्ट्रैटेजी. एंड इफ़ यू फील देयर सर्वे यू विल गेट फ्री लिपस्टिक. इट इज़ अराउंड 300+ rupees. As you guys know, I am working as creator, so I have tie-up with MyGlam and I work for them as a beauty creator. So they have sent me एक link जिसको आप fill करके survey fill करके उनको भेज सकते हो. So I'm going to share that link in the description box below, so you can take that survey and get your free lipstick. If आपको पता नहीं है कि MyGlam से आपको free products मिलते हैं तो and this information kind of new for you, then let me tell you guys, it is lipstick actual cost is free of cost, but you have to pay 99 rupees I guess for delivery, because even I have ordered one lipstick from them and it is kind of worth it. You will get 3 ml of product for rupees 99, and this lipstick is absolutely amazing, you guys. Trust me, you can buy this lipstick and it is going to long last for you and you will love this lipstick absolutely. So I am 100% recommending you guys to buy this product and try it for yourself. You're going to love it, and let me know in the comment section below how's your experience with MyGlam lipstick. So along with free lipstick you will get some free points you can redeem at the checkout of product, and also you will get the coupon of 500 bucks I guess from their brand itself. And that is all about the survey and getting free lipstick. Then there is another way you can get free products from MyGlam, which is like you can purchase any product from MyGlam from their website or from their app, and you will get a free lipstick worth similar to that product I guess, according to my observation. So yeah, so you'll get free product from MyGlam in this way also. So there are 2 ways you can get free lipstick, and another you can get any free product from MyGlam. Also you'll get points which you can redeem at the checkout point, and there is also coupon code you will be getting once you fill the survey. So yeah, it is kind of helpful if you're looking for a good branded product. And yes, that is all about this review and discussion. So that is pretty much it about how to get free products from MyGlam brand, and I'm really hoping you like this review kind of a discussion video. If you do, please let me know in the comment section, and you know the drill, like, comment and share. If you want to support more, then please subscribe to my channel. So that's guys, bye bye, see you in the next video.